Hello friends, in this quick Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a clip backwards. We're going to inverse this clip you see on the screen right now. This is the end of the clip with the car going outside of the video frame. Now, to play the clip in reverse, right-click on the clip and you'll see this really long menu showing up. Now, we need to find the option called Speed Duration. Here you can change the speed of the video by providing a different value, but setting speed to -100 will reverse the clip. Another way of reversing the clip is simply by clicking on the reverse speed checkbox, and that's going to make the clip play backwards. Now click OK button and try to play the clip again. You will see that the clip is now playing in reverse. You can apply this effect to any clip on your timeline, whether it's an entire video or an individual video clip. And that's pretty much it to reversing a clip in Premiere Pro and making it play backwards.